Hello everyone, welcome to another video of SEO. This is Mori from SEO BPO and I will discuss today one of the key components of SEO, which is on-page SEO. In my first video of SEO, I briefly described about the on-page SEO. Today, we will be discussing it in detail. So buckle up folks, it's time to learn another topic of SEO. Let's revise the definition one more time. What is on-page SEO? On-page SEO, also known as on-site SEO, improves a company's website's content using keyword placements, internal linking, URLs, and other strategies. It validates that your website has the same terms as your targeted search query. It helps to improve the ranking of any website. Importance of on-page SEO. Search engines use other on-page SEO and keywords features to analyze whether a page matches a user's search intent. Google suggests focusing on people's first content. It means it is more important to produce high-quality content that satisfies user intent. If you want to learn what people's first content is, you can watch our video, Google's Help Content Update, by clicking the I button. Google continues to prioritize user experiences despite the ever-changing nature of the ranking algorithm. The ultimate objective of on-site SEO is to make it as simple as possible for search engines and users to understand the focus keywords of a website, identify that the page is relevant to one or more search queries, find the page beneficial, and consider it deserving of a high rating on a search engine results page. On-page optimization, right for the user and not for the search engines. If you are making new content, you should always think about the user, but not the search engines. Many believe that if they can beat the algorithms of that search engine, then it is enough. No need to think about connecting with the audiences. But it's a wrong decision. Creating valuable and thoughtful content will rank itself. The person will like and share it. Creating helpful content will get you a higher ranking on Google and in the minds of your audiences, which is much more important than a keyword-based ranking. Number 2, page titles. Each page of a website has a unique and detailed title tag. What you enter in the title field will appear in the search results. Although Google may modify how your title tag appears under certain circumstances. More people will visit your website if your title tag is intriguing and your score will increase in search results. This demonstrates that SEO is about the overall user experience rather than just search engines. Number 3, headers. Headers are HTML tags that instruct a browser on how to format a piece of content on a web page. Similar to headings in printed content, header tags serve to the title or introduce the following content. They follow a hierarchy structure from H1 to H6 and are typically utilized as subheadings. Number 4, meta description. Meta description are the short description of a page that appear in search results under the title. They aren't an official factor in how search engine ranks pages, but they can affect whether or not people click on your page. The meta description can also be copied when your content is shared on social media. Number 5, set alter text for all images. Alter text is an accessibility principle used by screen readers to describe images for the visual impaired. It is essential to include all text descriptions so visually challenged users can understand your website's images. Additionally, search engine bots crawl alter text to comprehend your photographs better. Number 6, image optimization. Images are the primary cause of slow web pages. The best solution is to compress your images. When it comes to image compression, there is no one-size-fits-all solution. Try different options such as Save for Web, image resizing, or comprehension tools. Number 7, set up a proper social markup. Structured markup is a process of marking up your website source code so that Google can easily find and understand different elements of your content. Structured markup is responsible for the featured snippets, knowledge panels, and other content features that appear when you search for something on Google. Number 8, optimize URLs. According to Google, you should always use use simple URLs. You can use words related to your content to tell users what the page is about. Using targeted keywords as URL is also an excellent way to ensure it corresponds to the topic of your content. Number 9. Add internal and external links. Internal links are connected that go to other pages within the same websites. Internal links assist Google in understanding which pages may correspond to a user's search intent. External links are the links on your website that lead to other websites. According to Google, external links improve user experience and develop audience trust. And lastly, number 10, mobile responsiveness. As mobile users are increasing day by day, Google is planning new things for the mobile users. You should organize your site for mobile users too. The reason why you should add mobile responsiveness in the on-page SEO is that the majority of the users will access it from the mobile devices. Now let me show you how to check your website's on-page SEO audit using SEO Quack. First, go to the search bar and type SEO Quack extension. Then click on the Add to Chrome button here. Your extension is added. Then type your website address. After loading, click the SEO Quack extension and go to the diagnosis bar. Here you can see the performance of your page on page SEO. If all the elements are okay, you will get a tick sign, which means you are passed. If your website has any errors, it will be shown also. Even you can see that it is also giving us a suggestion on what should be done. And lastly, if there is anything missing, it will show as warning and will suggest adding the things. I hope you are now clear about why you need on-page SEO. If you don't remember everything, keep in mind that the two purposes of on-page SEO is to educate, inspire, and guide the user. It would be best if you thought of this on-page SEO as a living document that will help you show your SEO strategies for months or years to come. And if you wish to get a free and more detailed on-page audit report for your website, comment below.